Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 gaming crypto projects that have potentials to do from 10x to 100x. Since right now feels like gaming meta is picking up a lot of hype, everybody's talking about it, and a lot of crypto projects focusing on gaming, Web3 blockchain and etc, and like Alex Becker and many other ones talking about it and creating and making a lot of connections in the Web3. So in this video, I prepared 3 gaming projects that are potential gems. But before I show you the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Everything that I'm gonna state in this video is just my personal opinion. So the first project, it's called Star Atlas, and this is going to be next gen gaming ecosystem. Explore, extract, craft, trade at labs.staratlas.com to win 1.3 million in loot and powered by people. So they already have a website, and as you can see, they have a huge community, and at the time of recording this video they have 319,000 followers on their Twitter, and they're keep building. And as you can see right here, play to own is coming, Unreal Engine 5 and etc. So if we're gonna pull up CoinGecko just to look at their coins, this is what mainly we're gonna focus on. And as you can see, at the time of recording this video, the price is 0.007, so not even a penny per token. Circulation supply is 14.5 billion and total supply is 36 billion. And if we scroll down, as you can see, in the past 24 hours it was kind of going up and down, but mainly sideways. And if we scroll down even more just to see all times high, so at all times high this project was selling 26 cents per token, and the lowest was 0.001 per token. So as you can see, this project is not at an all times low, but there is still so much more room to grow. Plus, with the project itself, with a lot of backing from community, I think this project can do very well, and this could be a possible gem, and this project can do very well. And this project is on Solana blockchain. So if you go to market tab right here, you can see where you can pick it up on BitGet, Maxi, Gate.io, and many other cryptocurrency exchanges. And then if we go to their website, as you can see, very uniquely built, very cool, and you can just go here, explore, and then start playing now. And then the second project, it's called Rainmaker Games, and this one is unlocking access to the world of blockchain gaming through the one global platform. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they are rebranding and they're going to be migrating to different token, but still you can purchase Rainmaker Games tokens, and they're going to be either migrated automatically on exchange, or you'll just have to transfer them and do or migrate to a different token on their website. And they also have a pretty strong community, 122,000 followers on their Twitter account. And let's pull up CoinGecko just to look at their tokenomics system. At the time of recording this video, their price token is 0.008, and total supply is 1 billion, and in circulation supply 444 million. So if we scroll down, as you can see, lately it's been going upwards, and if we take a look at the 7th day, it was actually pumping in the last 7 days. And if we scroll down right here, all times low, this was the lowest, and all times high, it was $1.37 per token. I believe this project can do 100x from here. And to get to 100x, it doesn't even have to get to the all times high, because 100x is going to be 80 cents. And this project is on Ethereum, and if we press on here, also on BNB chain. So they actually holding tokens on 2 different chains. And same thing right here, if we go to markets, you can see right here you can buy on Uniswap, Maxi, Bybit, and few other ones. And if we go to their website and learn more about this project, but if we go back to their Twitter, as you can see right here, they're going to be migrating to a Prism. This is going to be their new website, and you can read white paper as well. So most likely you're going to be able to find on their new website, and this is what their new website looks like: new tokenomics, roadmap, white paper. I'm not going to dive deep into the details, but I think this is going to be a very amazing project as well, just because of their backed by, as you can see, this is the most exciting one. Animoca Brands, Polygon, and few other ones, I don't even know them, but these 2 are the biggest ones. And then the last project, it's called CornucopiasGame. I think this is definitely a gem project. In my opinion, this is the best metaverse game is out there. It's not just a metaverse, it's also gonna have mini games. You'll have land, you'll have like bubble domes, as you can see right here, they name Bubbleverse. They'll have different bubbles where you're gonna be able to live, or you're gonna be able to create your own bubble, your own world. And this is not just a game, this is also designed for businesses, from small to bigger size businesses, depends what you're trying to do. So with this metaverse, they're trying to bring a bunch of businesses, games, and all Web3 into one platform. And you can go, of course, to their website and read everything about the project. And they also have Kopus Wiki. It's basically everything about this project in general. And another thing about Cornucopias has one of the strongest community out there. And if we go to CoinGecko, as you can see at the time of recording this video, price per token 8 cents. And if we scroll down, as you can see, looks like this was all-time high just today, and a year ago price was down 1 cent. So technically this project haven't actually had a full-blown bull run. And if we're gonna compare like this project to Sandbox or maybe to the Decentraland, I think this project has exactly the same opportunity, even better. So with that being said, this project in the bull run can do definitely 10x or maybe even more. And also another thing about this project, they actually have tokens on 3 different chains. They're like blockchain agnostic. They're not like dedicated. Their native is Cardano blockchain, but they also hold tokens on BNB, on Cardano, and on Ethereum. They just recently got listed on Uniswap, and that's a huge plus for Cornucopia. And if we go to market, you can see right here, you can buy tokens PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Wing Rider, SundaySwap, and MintSwap. So this definitely, in my personal opinion, this is a gem project that's gonna do very well in bull run. They already been working on the game for quite a bit of time, and the game already in beta, and it's released actually to NFT holders who hold like certain kind of NFT, like a legendary or mythic or something like that, and you can already play. Maybe later on I'll make a separate video reviewing this project in general. And if we go to their website as well, you can find a lot of information and read everything about this Cornucopia Games. And one last thing about this specific Cornucopia project, they already, besides tokens, they already have NFTs you can purchase on Cardano marketplaces. They have different vehicles, land, trees, suit, and I think also like javelins, motorcycles, or something like that. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. Good luck to you everybody, and thanks for watching.